Day 8 of daily prints until the end of the year. This is my water bottle, and this is my fridge. And let's say they don't really like each other that much. My bottle is too tall to fit inside of the fridge ice dispenser. Looks like size does matter in this situation. I used to use my hand to guide the ice, but honestly, that's not exactly the kind of wet I like to play with. So, I designed this little funnel guide thingy. I'm still figuring out how to call it. It's super easy to put on and take off. There's a lip that attaches to the bottle thread that holds it in place. But with just a light bulb, it comes right off. Just pop it on, let the ice come, and when you're done, take it off. Close your bottle and enjoy your ice cold beverage. Comment what I should print next. See you tomorrow for day 9.